Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And as you can see, we have a Citizen box. And I've been waiting a long time to get this watch on the channel, and now it's the time for the all new Citizen Tsuyosa, which is, I think, one of their most successful new models, because it rode the wave of the endless, let's say, integrated bracelet watches. And here we can see why is it so popular. First off, the watch is on Amazon around 250 to 299, I think, around this price range. But I think you can find it cheaper somewhere else. And yeah, so let's get down to business. So I have a little bit of notes here. So the reference number is NJ0150-81L with the caliber 8210, a Miyota automatic movement, as you can see from the case back. Integrated bracelet, blue dial. My favorite definitely is the yellow dial, but I thought I'd get blue because I have a lot of blue Citizens, and I can make a blue Citizen video, which I would show maybe 3 watches of Citizen that you can have in one collection. That would do if somebody loves blue color. I like blue. So the specs: sapphire crystal, and we have a 40 millimeter diameter, as you can see here, and lug to lug of 44 with thickness of 12 millimeters, with an overall weight of 138 gram and 5 bar water resistant. And as you can see, the end links here are sticked to this I would say day-date style bracelet. We have a folding clasp, so stamped folding clasp with 3 micro adjustments. So let's get all the stickers. And one more sticker. And here. Yeah. So let's see, let's take this one off and put it on my wrist. So like I said before, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and as you can see on my wrist, it does look quite nice. Really cool. And the watch has enough lume, I would say, as I would show you. You have lume pips, indices, loomed indices, and loomed hands. So you have lume all over the watch, which is quite good. I like Citizen. They always do great things with their lume. And let me put this. The polishing is quite nice. It has 2 different kinds of polishing on the bracelet, and on the back it's the same as the front. We have also 2 types of bracelets on the case. We have high polish shear and vertical polish or vertical brush on the other case sides. Chamfer here, chamfer there, polished on the side, and then brushed on the mid case before the case back. And this Miyota movement, as you can see from here, is also quite nice. And I think this watch is definitely one of the contenders of best watch of the year, in my opinion, from Citizen. And let me get this too, like this. And I think it's a really good offering from Citizen for the money. Like I said before, search the net, search eBay, search, maybe you find some local dealer selling it for under the price it should be, so you can get the best deal possible. And I will do a review video on the watch after I change the strap and start wearing it maybe for a week or 2. And we'll do also a video featuring other Citizen watches like I said, the trio of Citizen. And if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And this is the invitation to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.